We're in natural disasters. My cousin is gonna join. She might talk, but yeah. Oh, the volcano's here. Volcano's here. Let's get away. I'm gonna wait until this is over for my cousin can come. Oh, well. Alright, I'm back. The volcano's here. My cousin needs to talk to Stinger. Let's see if we can survive. Alright, so I'm gonna go talk. Who's that? No, please. No, please. No, please, please. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, wait. Oh, I bought the balloon. So. Buddy, the volcano too. We need to go on top of it. Oh, we survived. So let's see what we can find my cousin here. Where is her? Oh wait, I'm gonna have to cut because I can't find her. Alright, I found her and yeah. Oh yeah, I did tell her I was going to make a video. And she joined me, so yeah. Alright, we're back. Alright, let's go. Wait, let me cut. Wait, what happened? We're back. Let's go atop the roof. Oh my, I almost fell down. Balloon. Oh. Let's go atop. I'm a gorilla. Let me dance. Oh yeah, her name is Valeria. That's my cousin's name. Oh wait, the fire is coming. The fire. Oh, we're dead. Oh no, we're gonna die. No. Oh, let me do my dance before I die. Oh wait, we might survive. Oh no, please. I survive. Did my cousin survive? I don't know. Oh, well, her body part was there when she died. Let's go. Can I power it up? What the hell? So, I dislike people of color. nice. The bacon. The bacon. And go top here. Here we go. Here we go. Bro, my cousin in the roof. Like, I would go atop here. Like, I would go atop here. Like, sure. Alright, we're here. Oh no, we're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. Ah! I died. I died. Oh, she died too? Alright, guys. Let me try to kill someone. Who is this? A monkey suit with the monkey pet in it. So this is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please. We're almost to 10 subscribers. And so, bye and see you in 1 million years.